Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing fine. So today I'm back with a subscription box unboxing. So it's been really long since I did a subscription box unboxing. So recently I got a PA box from GlamEgo, and GlamEgo has been one of my favorite subscription boxes from the time I started my channel. So I'm going to be just unboxing the June month box today, and I really have some exciting brands and exciting products from the brands on this box. So let's get started, and if you're new here, please take some time and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to click the bell icon next to the subscribe button so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. So let's get started. So the first thing we see when we open the subscription box is the list of brands which has sponsored this month's box. So it has Sephora and Votre, which is one of my favorite skincare brand. And then you have brands like Kajal, Jovees, Organic Harvest, Parachute and Fase. So that's the first thing you see when you open the box. And the next card you see when you open a box is the 1 month Radiance challenge. Yeah, this is in collaboration with the Sephora and the brand Votre. So this is the card which we see next. And next I'm going to be opening all of the products which I received in this month's box. And we have like one skincare, two skincare, one makeup, one hair care and one body care product, which is a great thing. So the first product, which is the Votre serum. This is a Face Radiance serum, and this one is for 1670, and I'm just going to be opening it. This is also wrapped with a bubble wrap like this, and this is the serum. So I'm going to open this plastic cover which is outside, and I'm going to be showing you the serum. So this is how the Votre Face Radiance Serum looks like. It comes with a dropper, and once you open it, you can see the serum. The serum doesn't have any smell or fragrance to it, but it is white in color. So I'm going to be using this for a month, and I'll be letting you know how this worked on my Instagram, because I really like, and I've heard a lot about this particular brand, and they have told this to be a 1 month challenge. So let me just try this. So there's no ingredient list specified on the packaging, but you have a small pamphlet here where you can see the list of packaging. So this is priced for rupees 1670, which I've already told, and this is having ingredients like jojoba oil, licorice extract, geranium oil, olive oil, almond oil, orange peel extract, apricot oil, and lemon extract, rosehip oil. So all of the products, all of the ingredients are very, very good, and they benefit your skin in some or the other way. So I'm very excited to try this serum. And the next one is directions to use. So just take a small amount of the serum and massage till absorb. Shake well before use. So this is a non-comedogenic, hypoallergenic, microbiologically, dermatologically and clinically tested. So they've already given a caution which says natural product can also be allergic to some people. So test patch on your inner elbow and leave it for 30 minutes. Discontinue if irritation occurs. So this is like an Ayurvedic product, and this one has a shelf life of, it's not specified anywhere, I guess. Yeah, so I'm just going to be giving this a try on my face now, just to see how it is. I'm just going to be doing a patch test kind of a thing. I'm just going to be using it here because I'm actually breaking out a lot recently because I'm using the argan oil, facial oil from Good Vibes, and I did have a lot of breakouts. So I'm going to be continuing using that product also, but it's okay. I'm going to be trying this one on. It's a white creamy serum. It's a little bit thick than the usual serums we see. Nice and absorbed very quickly into my skin. So that's the first product, and I'm very happy about the first product. Next we have the makeup product, which is from Jovees, which is called the new signature Kajal, and this is how it looks. And this is priced for rupees 190, and you have an option to pick an eyeshadow from Cal Cosmetics. So that's the second product, and I'm just going to be keeping it like this because I have a lot of kajals and I just want to use them, and then I'll go in for this. Next product is from Organic Harvest, and this is a skincare product, and this is the sunscreen for all skin types, dual product outdoor and indoor, which has an SPF of 60, PA++, UVA and UVB, matte finish, water resistant with certified organic ingredients. This one has blue light technology. So this one is priced for rupees 335, which is a great thing, and this one has about 50 grams of the product. So this is a sunscreen and very essential for the summers, which are very hot and scary to go out nowadays. So this can be used outdoor and indoors. So if you are a person who stays indoors, please use a sunscreen. You have to use a sunscreen even if you stay indoors. So I'm just going to be trying this on the other side of my face. This says, or this claims to be a matte finish and water resistant, which is very good for oily skin and people who sweat a lot on the face, because I'm a person who sweats a lot on my face and I have oily skin. So I preferably go for matte finishes sunscreens, and I don't go for something which looks greasy or which gives me a white cast, because I already crease and get oils on my T-zone. I don't want to make my makeup or my face look even more oilier. I'm just going to be taking a little bit of the product, and yeah, it's a white thick cream. I'm just gonna warming it up between my fingers like this, and I'm just going to be applying it on the other side of the face. So this didn't give me any greasiness, or it didn't give me any white cast, because when I saw the cream, it had a white color to it, so I thought it'd give me a white cast or something. But this is a very good semi-matte finish. I would say it's not completely matte, but it's quite semi-matte, and it settled and absorbed into my skin really very quickly, and I really like it. So this is how it looks. It is so quick and you just don't see anything on my face right now. So that's that product, and it's a skincare product. Next we have something from Parachute, which is called as the hair cream oil. This is how it looks, and this is the advanced coconut creme oil pre-wash hair nourisher, blend of coconut oil and coconut milk. So Parachute coconut oil is one of my favorite coconut oils, and this is a very new product to me. I haven't used anything like this from Parachute. I don't know if it is a new launch also. I've not heard anything, or I have not used anything from Parachute, so I'm quite excited to try this. And I have severe dry and rough hair nowadays. I've been trying the Herbal Essence Argan Moroccan oil, but I don't seem that to make my hair renew or repair in any ways, because it's sulfate. It's not a sulfate free shampoo, so it makes my hair a little rougher. So I'm just going to be trying out this before using that oil, and using that shampoo, and I'll let you know how that worked. So this is priced for rupees 49, which I think is very it's very affordable. Even you can try it out, and I'll let you know how this worked. If it really worked well, then I will let you know on my Instagram, so do follow me there on Instagram. Last product, we have a sample product from P-Safe, and this is the disposable underarm sweat pads folded. So this is how it looks, and box. So people who sweat a lot and who have real sweat on your dress in your underarm area, then do go for this. Just give it a try. I'll also try it and let you know on my Instagram. So that completes the complete unboxing of GlamEgo. I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up as well. And please do post your comments on the comment section below, and I'll be doing a complete review of the Votre Skin Radiance Serum on my Instagram. So do watch out and follow me there. Bye.